Cactus Tall Cat Tree, a playful oasis for your feline friends. Bring a touch of whimsy and endless entertainment to your home with the Cactus Tall Cat Tree. This multi-level cat tower, designed with a unique cactus theme, provides a safe and engaging environment for your indoor cats, accommodating everything from playful kittens to larger adult cats. Key features: unique and playful cactus design. This cat tree stands out with its adorable cactus shape, featuring natural green sisal and vibrant orange carpet. It adds a delightful pop of color and personality to your living space. Multi-level exploration and relaxation. With a tall top perch, a cozy condo, a spacious hammock, multiple scratching posts, and 2 perches, this cat tree offers a variety of spaces for your cats to explore, play, and relax. It comfortably accommodates 4 to 5 adult cats simultaneously. Stable and safe design. Safety is a priority. The cat tree is built with a sturdy particle board construction, a reinforced base, rounded corners, and an anti-toppling safety strap to ensure stability during even the most energetic play sessions. Pet-friendly materials. The ultra-soft carpeting provides a comfortable and cozy surface for your cats to nap and lounge. The natural sisal scratching posts are durable and satisfy your cat's natural scratching instincts. Ample scratching opportunities. Numerous sisal-covered scratching posts are strategically placed throughout the tree, providing plenty of opportunities for your cats to sharpen their claws and protect your furniture. Spacious condo and hammock. The generously sized condo and hammock offer comfortable and private spaces for your cats to rest and relax. Easy assembly. The cat tree comes with detailed instructions, making assembly quick and straightforward. 1-year warranty and customer satisfaction. Mutros offers a 1-year warranty and a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee, providing you with peace of mind. Benefits: satisfies natural instincts, provides ample opportunities for scratching, climbing, and playing, encourages exercise and activity, promotes physical activity and helps keep your cats healthy, protects furniture. The sisal scratching posts help prevent your cats from scratching your furniture, provides comfortable resting spaces, offers multiple cozy spots for your cats to relax and nap, adds a touch of whimsy to your home. The unique cactus design adds a fun and playful element to your decor. Suitable for multiple cats. Accommodates multiple cats, including larger breeds. Specifications: design, cactus themed. Materials: particle board, plush carpeting, natural sisal. Features: condo, hammock, scratching posts, perches, pom-pom ball. Safety: reinforced base, rounded corners, anti-toppling strap. Overall, the Cactus Tall Cat Tree is a fantastic choice for cat owners looking for a fun, functional, and safe cat tree. Its unique design, sturdy construction, and ample space for play and relaxation make it a perfect addition to any cat-loving home.